super parents, we've all been there, right? On a daily basis, we face that dilemma. Your kiddie's hopeful eyes staring up at you in the shopping aisle, a candy bar in one hand, a bag of chips in the other, and their hearts set on a treat. But then you remember the veggies in the fridge and the tug of war begins. While we, as adults, know the importance of nutrition, getting the message across to your little ones without them feeling that you are always saying no to their sweet delights, that's the challenge and where the art lies. Trust us, at Happy Kids, we know the drill. Saying yes to candy and making your kiddie smile, or being firm and saying no, veggies first, that everyday parent challenge. We have been there, done that, and as adults, we have navigated the maze of nutrition, soaking in all its wisdom. But the million-dollar question remains, how do we sprinkle this knowledge into our little ones without it feeling like yet another grown-up lecture and them feeling mommy doesn't want me to enjoy sweet treats ever? How do we as parents make them understand the difference between eating healthy in a balanced manner and knowing how junk food isn't good for them? Well, lucky for you, we have cracked the hack. Enter Nutri-Ninja, a game where nutrition meets fun. Imagine inspiring your kids about healthy choices not through lectures but laughter and flair. So let's learn all about it before game time begins. Designed for our young champs aged 6 and up, this game can be enjoyed by 2 to 4 players with 5 exciting activities that guarantee fun-filled learning. This game is everything you need it to be. Here's the fun part. Players get to strategically fill up food plates with tokens, win some Nutri-Hero cards and points. And oh, the surprises don't stop there. We've got bunting cards for crafty kids, poster on how to read a nutrition table, a food log, and even some brainy nutrition quizzes. Ready for a closer look into each activity? Let's dive in. Welcome to our first activity, champs. Every player gets this beautiful food plate segmented for various food groups: veggies, dairy, grains, fruits, and yes, a tiny spot for those guilty pleasure junk foods. And these are our prized Nutri-Hero cards. Complete a section on your food plate and earn the corresponding card. Like, fill up your veggies, say hello to Vitamin Victor card, and so on for each section. Now, meet the game changers, our tokens. Circular ones are choice tokens, giving you a surefire plus 2 points each. But the square chance tokens, they are wild ride, offering plus 5, a grand plus 10, or sometimes a sneaky minus 2. Put circular tokens in choice bags like this and your square tokens in chance bags just like this. Strategy and luck all in one. Let's get rolling. remember, it's all about strategy. A full plate sends out a golden message. So parents, get your champs ready to strategize, earn, trade and learn all about nutrition. Game on. But hold on, the fun doesn't stop here. Activity 2 is here for all the little artists. Look at these catchy slogans. They aren't just fun, they're little reminders for us every day. Your kiddies can stick them on, design their own unique bunting and hang it up somewhere special. Imagine them waking up to these bright, cheery messages. It's like having a colorful coach reminding them of fun ways to stay healthy and inculcating a positive, healthy eating mindset. For activity 3, this one's for the little detectives to come out and play. Parents, are you ready to watch your little ones turn into tiny food detectives? With our How to Read a Food Label guide, they will be uncovering the sneaky names of sugar from fructose to corn syrup and more so. Each time they grab a snack, they can note its secrets on our fun fridge sheet. It's more than just a game. It's a cute, clever way to understand what's in their food. Next up, let's get your kiddie food logging. With our delightful food log, they can record all their munchies from sunrise to sunset. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or those cheeky little snacks, it's not just about writing, it's about understanding. Let them spot their patterns, make informed choices, and turn into Nutri-Ninjas they are destined to be. Last one, a fun Nutri quiz. Pop quiz time, but not the boring kind. Dive into the exciting world of nutrition with our Nutri quiz cards. With 40 dynamic questions, from what is the healthiest way to eat potatoes to what makes bones healthy, they can challenge themselves and collect those points. So parents, who's the top Nutri Ninja in your house? Let the quiz battle begin. So, what's the food for the day, my superstar?
I'm craving a hearty bowl of spinach soup.
No longing for chips today?
Oh, I have mastered the Nutri-Ninja way. Now I know my munch is better thanks to all the fun learning.
Impressive! Ready for more, my little Nutri Ninja?
Game on!